When your retail chain's POS server fails on a Saturday morning, you don't need someone who just resets passwords. You need IT professionals who can cut through chaos and keep your business running. Portland's IT landscape has changed. As Jake Levine, CEO at Computers Made Easy, puts it, Portland's best IT teams grow by turning everyday troubleshooting into future-proof expertise. The pressure is real. 80.1% of managers are struggling to find skilled cybersecurity talent, and the old helpdesk to admin ladder is just one of many paths into IT. Today, cybersecurity is no longer optional. Over 50% of local organizations are prioritizing cyber upskilling. Analyst roles are multiplying, but seats stay empty. Portland's hiring strategies now include recruiting from traditional IT programs, tapping alternative pathways like boot camps and self-taught candidates, investing in internal upskilling, and using contractors for urgent needs. Each approach has its strengths, from building strong technical foundations to bringing in fresh ideas and adaptability. Portland tech schools are meeting the challenge head-on by embedding students in real businesses, so your next hire arrives with hands-on experience. Boot camps offer speed and practical skills, while college programs build leaders who grow with your business. Flexible, industry-driven curricula and strong community connections mean graduates are ready to solve problems on day one. Choosing the right IT education path, whether it's boot camps, degrees, certifications, or internships, shapes the future of your team. With nearly 38% of young professionals entering IT through non-traditional means, diversity and adaptability are now core strengths. Portland's IT programs focus on people, ensuring your business gets talent that fits and grows with you. Read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add us to your playlist.